Hi.
Apple, lemon, I got you. She copies what we say. We're going to make healthy honeydew smoothie.
Happy.
Let's cut the honeydew. Going to cut it. Okay. Mommy's cutting it. We're gonna make out of a cup for decoration.
Then ready? So I'm gonna crack.
Mommy is strong.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You can use this one. Scoop it out. We're going to take out the seeds. Help! Don't take me out. Where are you taking me? Somewhere with all your friends. Ew! Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Yummy. It's so sweet.
That tastes like honey. So the ingredients are honeydew, apple, and ice. I got you. Apple, apple, ice. I'm gonna put these honeydews in the blender. Cool. Apple in here. Put them in. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. I'll squeeze the lemon into this and it will be sour. It's so slippery, like a slippery fish that is still alive that you fished for and it's still rotten and dirty. Looks like
So slowly.
careful. We're going to put this here. Squish!
How do you like to decorate it?
With flamingo toy, I want some toys for a bath. Like a flamingo and a duck.
All right.
And put in our straws. And the starfish. Dun, dun, dun. Good. Open.
How does it taste?
Tastes like honeydew.
Yummy?
Yeah. And I like this sweet apple. How we decorated it. Okay. And tasted it. Okay. Now I have another style, and this is another option. Don't move. So, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Bye. Or else I will close it. Thank you for watching. Bye. We're going to cut the honeydew.